In this video you will learn how to use a Minecoin gift card on your Nintendo Switch. Open Minecraft on Nintendo Switch, turn on your Nintendo Switch, open Minecraft and make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account. Go to the Minecraft Marketplace, find the main menu, select Marketplace and open the in-game store when you can view items and your balance. Click and select a redeem code. In the Marketplace look for a redeem code option. This is where you'll enter your Minecoin gift card code. Enter your 25-digit code. Carefully type in your 25-character code found on the back of your Minecoin gift card, then confirm it to redeem it. Wait for a Minecoin to load. After redeeming, your Minecoin balance will automatically update and show the new amount in your account. Start shopping in the Marketplace. Once your Minecoins appear in your account, you can use them right away to buy skins, worlds or texture packs directly in your Minecraft Marketplace. Now you know how to use Minecoin gift card on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.